Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade deviled eggs. We are going to start by taking our 4 eggs and placing them into our saucepan and then covering them evenly with water. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. The additional 2 eggs we're going to add just a little bit later so that their inner yolk is a little more softer and runny, and it's going to give that filling a much creamier texture when we're done here. Bring those to a boil. After 2 minutes, throw your other 2 eggs in gently, don't throw them, and let them boil for about a total of 6 minutes, depending on how hard you like the inside of your yolks. When those are done boiling, place them into a bowl of cold water or ice to stop the cooking process and peel them gently. Once you're done peeling your eggs, we are going to slice open each egg and gently scoop out the middle yolk, placing it into our food processor. Then to our food processor, we are also going to add 1 tablespoon of Miracle Whip, followed by 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Throw in a dash of paprika, 2 tablespoons of room temperature softened butter, salt and pepper to taste, and blend until that's nice, smooth, and creamy. When we are finished, we can place our filling into a piping bag and pipe it into lovely designs in our halved eggs. Then place in the refrigerator to cool for at least 2 hours prior to serving. And there you have perfect, delicious deviled eggs. If you like this video or learned something, give it a like. Hit that subscribe button, you know you want to. And I'll see you next time here on Cooking on a Dime, where I teach you how to make veal stew with homemade Cheddar Bay biscuits. I promise you they are way better than Red Lobster. See you then.